DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, you already know what time it is. Yeah, man, the Dan is back. The lab. Yeah, man, gang, you see what I do today, man? We're there with artist that's no stranger to the channel. Yeah, we just dropped a song for him yesterday, Brain Freeze. I know y'all enjoy that. Yeah, so we're back at it again. We're there at Rymey Gad, the one named Holli. You see me, I say, Rymey Gad been doing pretty well, man. I'm not gonna lie. Rymey Gad been doing this thing, relatively new artist, but hey, he's doing this thing, man. So shout out to Rymey Gad. You see me, I say, gang. Yeah, man, but yeah, let me say, we're there at Rymey Gad, Holli. A lot of y'all requested, I think R.I.P. Bob requested this, and a lot of y'all, so shout out to the Dad Mafia. You see me, y'all late. You see me, I say, but yeah, they had Rymey Gad. We're not going to hold up the vibes much longer, you know. I jump right in a track, you know, gang.
Yo, Impact Resident. Jaja.
I like the intro. You know me like the intro music, you know. The intro gotta be right, you know.
Me no rock Holli, the only Holli that I meet physically from my mommy and my daddy that I meet. Did I have to do it cause my daddy drop a straight and my sister and my mama.
Whoa. I could be wrong. You see me, I say? Nah. If he's good with Skipper, he's good with Bob. So I can't really Bob. I mean, I think Najeri might talk. Najeri really said Alistair, you know. Well, let me know in the comment section, gang. Najeri mostly say Rock Ali, you know. You see me, I say. But what you know mean by the Rock Alistair, dog? Where you the pan? Right, because where you the pan? I used to be Alistair hard in high school. I ain't gonna cap to you, gang. You see me, I say. But yeah, you know, the man of this Holli, dog, no.
My family have it, so me get you bang and never tired with the leads. Me get you skull, I'm a job at me. Fine nights, I'ma fuck up the streets. I'ma sang them the stream, I'ma fuck up the beat. Money,
I mean, man. Fine a song, I'ma go in the street, brother. How you feel like?
Me making money, we no take long.
Yeah.
Me have your girl on a vacation. Yeah, the ceiling, making AK slam. And we no play.
Come here, man. Yeah, the ceiling, making AK.
Come on, what do wait, space, man. You coulda live up at the station. I'm living at the game on the PlayStation. And every step for me step.
If you not a game on a PlayStation, I want to them, man. Come here, man. They wanna smooth. Me not gonna lie. You see me I say that they wanna smooth. Come here.
Girl on a vacation. Yeah, the ceiling make it AK slam. And we no play fam. What do wait, space, man. You coulda live up at the station. I'm living at the game on the PlayStation. And every step.
I want the waste, man. I want to, hey.
Me step that a sensation. One done. So if you do it and not follow back a man.
Yeah.
Me have his skull up on a payment plan.
Yeah, man, do it. Don't follow back a man. I want to a leader when I follow back. Come in, man.
Money region I be a dead man. And a million sweets. I'm saving strong. Me shirt neat, I'm a fragrant strong.
Yeah.
It up neat, me fear no man. When Mrs. South,
shirt neat, I'm a fragrant strong. It up neat, I'm no fear no man. I want to some guy. I want to them, come in. I want to them.
Man, and a million sweets, I'm a saving strong. Me shirt neat, I'm a fragrant strong. It up neat, me fear no man. When Mrs. South, I always my land. Money I expectation, gonna temptation. We making money, we no take long. Me have your girl on a vacation.
We making money, we no take long. I want to them come.
Yeah, the ceiling, make it AK slam. And we no play fam. What do wait, space, man. You coulda live up at the station. I'm living at the game on the PlayStation. And every step, one me step, that a sensation. Rock Holli.
Here my youth with out here.
The only Holli that I meet physically from my mommy and my daddy that I meet. Did I have to do it cause my daddy drop a street. I'm a sister, my mama, and my family have it. So me get you back.
You gotta do it. Tear from my daddy drop a street. And my mama and my sister have it. Too.
My mama and my family have it. So me get you bang and never tired with the leads. Me get you skull and my choppy at beat. Fine nights, I'ma fuck up the streets. I'ma sang them the stream, I'ma fuck up the beat. Money I expectation, gonna temptation. We making money, we no take long. Me have your girl on a vacation.
Now I'm too, no move up.
Yeah, the ceiling, make it AK slam. And we no play fam. all the ways, man. You coulda live up at the station. I'm living at the game on the PlayStation. And every step, one me step, that a sensation. One done. So if you do it and no fall back a man.
No, sir. To them.
You have his skull up on a payment plan.
Yeah.
The money reach and I be a dead man. And the million sweets, so me saving strong.
To
Me
you,
shop
man.
neat, I'm a fragrant strong.
To you. Hey.
Don't need me to fear no man. When Mr. Sap, I always my land. Sap man, money I expectation, got a temptation.
To you, man. Hey.
Do you like having a
Yeah, man. Rymey Gad, that's a vibe. You see me, we no take long. Yeah, man, gonna be kind. What the waste, man. Yeah, man. Shout out to Rymey Gad. You see me, I say the one named Holli. You see me, I say Holli. Big up Rymey Gad. Dog do him thing, man. Rymey Gad smooth on the track, dog. Up and coming artist. Bad. You see me, I say shout out to that mafia if you always a request, man. You see me, I say shout out to you guys. You see me, I say go show. If you like it, definitely go show that to some love and support. Make you know so I dance anyway. You see me, I say gang. And drop in the comments. Let me know what your favorite part is in the comments section. Beats, lyrics, melody. I already know what time it is. Let's get a dialogue going, man. You see me? Let's get a dialogue going. We can chop it up. You see me, I say. But yeah, man. Drop your requests, you get your shout out. Let's get a dialogue going. You don't know. Rymey Gad. Sav man them out. You see me? I say, yeah, dog. I don't know. Who dog this no car? Couple artists still sing about all this time, you know. You see me? So let me know in the comment section if this or this to anybody I want go on, cause you know, so Nigeria rap when he in an early career, rap Hollister hard. So maybe I'm wrong. Let me know, gang. You see me? I say, let's chop it up. But anyway, gang, till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Most important part, each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.